Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today I wanted to talk with you a little bit about our lawns and how they're transitioning out of winter and on into spring. So, what we're seeing in lawns this time of year is they are just now transitioning out of being dormant and into actively growing. We're kind of in that tweener stage. You can see in this particular lawn that the grass out in the parkway, that's Bermuda, it's actually filling in pretty well. As we get up further into the lawn and more into the St. Augustine area, it's not nearly as green, which is pretty typical for this time of year. Most of the lawns right now really have not come out of dormancy very much. We're somewhere maybe about 20–30%. Over the next few weeks, we're going to see that really change, and everything's going to green up and really take off. A couple things that we are doing right now on lawns is on Bermuda lawns. We're treating those with a good nitrogen fertilizer, and we're pushing the grass to green up a little bit more quickly. We do exactly the opposite on St. Augustine lawns. What we're doing is putting out usually we call it a 5–10–31 ratio fertilizer, and that's what we're doing is pushing more root growth, because a lot of times the plant is stressed out from the winter, and we don't want to stress the roots by pushing more top growth. We're trying to make the roots healthier. We will also be putting out a pre-emergent on the lawns to help reduce the chance of spring and summer weeds. If the lawn is stressed, we won't put that pre-emergent out. What we'll be doing is putting, again, both on Bermuda and St. Augustine, if they're not quite healthy yet, a slightly different type of root stimulating fertilizer called 1846-0 diammonium phosphate, which helps the plant green up a little bit, but mostly we're trying to get the roots healthy so that later on the entire lawn will green up and look good and fill in properly. So that is what we are doing this time of year as we transition out of winter on into spring. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and forward these on to your family and friends. Ken with Village Green, your neighborhood landscape company.